crop production and its management. Till 10,000 BCE, people were nomadic. They were wandering in groups from place to place in search of food and shelter. They ate raw fruits and vegetables and started hunting animals for food. Later, they could cultivate land and produce rice, wheat, and other food crops. Thus was born agriculture. There are two types of crops. Kharif crops, the crops which are sown in rainy season in India June to September. The common examples of paddy, maize, soya bean, groundnut and cotton are Kharif crops. Rabi crops, the crops which are grown in the winter season in India October to March. The common examples are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Steps for agriculture practices. The first step is preparation of soil. The second step is sowing. The third step is adding manure and fertilizer. Fourth step is irrigation. Fifth step is protecting from weeds. Sixth is harvesting. Seventh is storage. So these are the 7 steps of agriculture preparation of soil. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allows the roots to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. These organisms are friends of farmers since they further turn and loosen the soil and add humus to it. Agriculture implements of preparation of soil. This is being used since ancient times for tilling the soil, adding fertilizer to the crop, removing the weeds and turning the soil. Hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron, a strong root and bent plate of iron is fixed. Cultivator. Nowadays, plowing is done by tractors, driven cultivator. The use of cultivator saves labor and time. Sowing is an important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality, clean and healthy seeds of a good variety are selected. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give highly yield. Traditional tool. The tool used traditionally for sowing seeds. It is shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. Seed drill. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with help of tractors. This sows the seeds uniformly at equal distance and depth. It ensures that seeds get covered by soil after sowing. This protects seeds from being eaten by birds. Sowing by using a seed drill saves time, adding manure and fertilizer. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizer. Irrigation. All living beings need water to live. Water is important for proper growth and development. Water is absorbed by the plant roots along with water. Minerals and fertilizers are also absorbed. Plants contain nearly 90% water. Water is essential because germination of seeds does not take place under dry conditions. Nutrients dissolved in water are transported to each part of the plant. Water also protects the crop from both frost. Sources of irrigation: moat, chain pump, Beckley, Rahat. Modern method sprinkler system, drip system, protection from weeds. In a field, many other undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. The removal of weeds is called weeding. Weeding is necessary since weeds compete with the crop plant for water, nutrients, space, and light. Thus, they affect the growth of the crop. Some weeds interfere even in harvesting and may be poisonous for animals and human beings. Farmers adopt many ways to remove weeds and control their growth. Tilling weeds before sowing of crops helps in uprooting and killing of weeds, which may then dry up and get mixed with the soil. The best time for the removal of weeds is before they produce flowers and seeds. The manual removal includes physical removal of weeds by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground for time to time. This is done with the help of a kuruppi. A seed drill is also used to uproot seeds. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides. These are sprayed in the field to kill the weeds. They do not damage the harvesting of a crop is an important task. The cutting of crop after it is mature is called harvesting. In harvesting, crops are pulled out or cut close to the ground. It usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereal crop to mature. Harvesting in our country is either done manually by sickle or by a machine called harvester. In the harvested crop, the grain, seed need to be separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing. This is carried out with the help of a machine called combine, which in fact are harvest winnowing. Farmers with a small holding of land do the separation of grains and chaff by winnowing. Storage of produce is an important task. If the harvest of grain are to be kept for a longer time, they should be safe from moisture, insects, rats, and microorganisms. Harvested grains have more moisture. If freshly harvested grains are stored without drying, they may get spoiled or attacked by organisms, making them unfit for use or for germination. Hence, before storing them, the grains are properly dried in the sun to reduce the moisture in them. This prevents the attack by insects, pests, bacteria, and fungi. Farmers store grains in jute bags or metallic bins. However, large-scale storage of grain is done in soils and granaries to protect them from pests like rats and leaves. Dried neem leaves are used for storing food grains at home. For storing large quantities of grain in a big godown, chemical treatments are required to protect them for pests and microorganisms. Animal husbandry. Animals reared at home or in farms have to provide with proper food, shelter, and care. When this is done on a large scale, it is called animal husbandry.